So this valve right here is what we'll be replacing. It's got a steady leak. You can see the droplets right there. There's another drop, yep. So I turned the water off at my main, and I've got the water on to try and bleed all the pipes out. You know where the messy dish is there? My wife's gonna kill me. Anyways, be sure to turn your main source of water off when you perform this fix, or else you're gonna have water everywhere. Now I've got a towel right here in case there's a good amount of water that comes out when I try to take this nut off. Alright, let's see if I can set this up. Alright. Try not to knock over the camera, but no guarantees. This is the valve we're going to be replacing. Or, this is the replacement valve. This is my dog right behind me if you hear an obnoxious amount of sniffing. I'll show them a little later in the video. Alright. I have to get another pair of channel locks. Bear with me here. This is why it's live. Alright, there's good amount of water coming out right now. That's to be expected. Unfortunately, the container isn't catching it all. But we got a towel. I'm gonna get that towel in here right now. Alright. So this is compression, I believe. Let's fix this camera. Alright, just a little bit of spillage. Alright. Alright, folks. And now it opens up right there. And that allows the water to go through. Now I'm tightening it. And you can see it closing to close that. Unfortunately, this one, the stopper is completely out of place, so we just got to replace with the new one. Alright, let's see if we can do that. First, I might clean up a little bit of this water. Fortunately, it's still steadily coming out, so I gotta dump this. Go back, towel down. Now we're going to try and use the same nut here for the old one. I'm going to put it in with the stopper completely closed and see what we got after that. Here goes nothing. This is open. You can see the water coming out. And this, hopefully, stops the leak entirely as it's closed. Now this was for our dishwasher, which is being replaced. And it has steady leak. And in future videos, we might do installing the new dishwasher. The water line goes right in here. You might be able to see it. But this is where the dishwasher goes. Unfortunately, we had some water damage on the floor, so we'll have some flooring jobs or project as well. That's a pretty easy fix, luckily. I didn't really know how this is going to go. But that's the new one. I'm going to tighten it up a little bit. In fact, I'll do that right now. Alright. I want to rotate the nut the other opposite way I was rotating it earlier. Doesn't have to be super, You want to over tighten it because then it'll break the fitting, but that should be good. Now I'll go upstairs. Briefly show you guys where the water line is, the main, and then we should have some water, but hopefully no water coming out of there. Here's our water line. Excuse me. Off is horizontal. On is vertical. I hear all this water coming, so that's a good sign. Let's go check. You hear that sound and it makes you freak out because you're making sure it doesn't come out from under there, but that's this. Kitchen sink's working. I don't see any drops. I think we got a good one. It's hot water. You have hot water for your dishwasher. And that's that. Appreciate the one viewer here, Jacket 32345. That's replacing a water valve. Told you I'd show you my dogs. Sophie, Molly. There's Sophie. There's Molly. You can barely see her.